Good morning. This is Laurie, Girl on the Ridge. Again, I have some envelopes I'd like to share with you. These are kind of like a scrappy envelope, and I'll show you close up. These are made with tracing paper and regular paper and just messily sewed with brown thread. I was inspired by many of you guys, but motivated by my granddaughter. I had her yesterday, and she loves the sewing machine, but she keeps hitting on my buttons. So this is what we did. And I said, I just seen Gina, Firefly Studio, do just sewing with brown thread, and Juliana kept saying C. So I'm thinking she couldn't see the white thread, so I changed it to brown thread. And these are what I came up with after the many sheets of paper we sewed. And she likes the crunchy paper too. And I'm going to show you. This one I'm going to just sew a button on. I just haven't yet. But these are really simple to make. What I did is just tracing paper, copy paper, ripped it. Roughly it's going to be 9 by 6 for those who do like to measure. And I'll use my scraps and little envelopes. And I know there's a lot of videos on envelopes. I just wanted to share this one. In case you missed the other one, sometimes you miss videos. So that's your roughly 9 by 6. And then you just sew it and fold it. And I'm not going to sew it because I already did. So this is what it looks like. I just roughly sewed it. And I have a Brother HC 1850. It has 99 different stitches. It was like $148 on Amazon. I bought it about 4 years ago, and I love it. And this would be your envelope. Very simple. Now this one I had a bunch of scraps, so I had tracing paper, parchment paper, and 2 different kinds of copy paper. I just sewed them together so they're together, and then I'll just do like, let's see, well, not that big, but just like a little rose or something on this one. So the one that will decorate, I just kind of ink them up. This is the one I already sewed. And what I also did, and I think I'll do a video on this, when you're done with the projects and you have a mat full of scraps, this is what I did last night. I just took them and just sewed them together. So I will have a bunch of scraps and put it on here, and this is done. Oh, maybe. Oh, come on. Good thing I got the stopper that I don't use sometimes. And this is like a nice little envelope for your projects. So that's my quick share today. And I am going to working on all my other projects that I've begun, and I want to get them done. So give your hand at that if you have some more scraps, and we'll see you soon. Bye.